I get to do like what, one short circuit a month? And this is what I get? This is Wehead, the world's first spatial video communication device for hosts to perceive remote guests naturally in 3 dimensions and for guests to immerse in real meeting spaces. What features include full-sized face, head gestures, spatial audio, and eye contact. That's right, this is a big metal and plastic head that sits on your conference table and allows you to beam yourself, head gestures and all. Oh God, and it's not weird or creepy at all. Full credit, this thing looks amazing. It's got a total of 4 5.8-inch screens that are about equivalent to what you'd find on a Galaxy S10e. Wait, oh my God, there's 4 phones in there. Are you kidding me? It's just full of phones. Holy phone, Batman. I thought you just meant it's made out of like the displays of them. No, there's actually phones in there. This is obviously a Founders Edition, but there's 2 different versions of this product, the Founder and the Pro. They've both got a 10 megapixel camera, but the Pro gets a stereo camera for VR in the metaverse. Okay. The Founders has a 2-axis motor and the Pro has a 3-axis motor for more realistic head gestures. I guess it can tilt as well then, like this. And this one has a simple directional mic, whereas the Pro has a binaural, I think that's how you pronounce that. But basically 2 mics for like super directional listening. So if your head is just sitting there on the table and everyone's having a meeting around you, you can like really tell where people are talking from. Oh my God, this thing is creepy. They're both Wi-Fi only, made of biodegradable plastic, and the Pro includes a battery, so you can just, put it on the desk without having to worry about plugging in. Well, I'm gonna plug this one in now. Oh, look at that, my phones are charging. Perfect, what I always wanted. It just has Ugreen Type-C cables on it. Ugreen. Like our sponsor, Vessi. Are you looking for a pair of shoes to wear for the summer that's comfortable and fashionable? Look no further than Vessi. With their Dymatex technology, Vessi claims their shoes are 100% waterproof. Is that a major concern for the summer? Don't worry about it. 100% waterproof while letting sweat and heat escape. An EVA midsole cushions your feet without added weight for unmatched comfort, allowing you to enjoy those long walks on the beach or in the park or anywhere you like to go in the summer. Me, personally, I stay inside, but whatever, the choice is yours. So check out the Vessi Boardwalk and other styles at vessi.com/shortcircuit and use code SHORTCIRCUIT, all one word, to get 15% off. I am going to try to figure out how to power this thing on now. Okay, there's a little bar here that sticks on here with a magnet. I assume this is something to do with turning it on every time, otherwise why would it be stored on this convenient glued on magnet system? Look, I'm not trying to be down on this, I just feel like this is a solution in search of a problem, you know what I'm saying? Am I doing it right? Did I do something? There isn't a separate hole pokey for every phone, is there? It probably doesn't seem like it, but I have been trying pretty hard so far not to dunk on this thing. They are not making it easy. Power on! This one, and then this one. Oh my God, let's play find the holes. Oh, buddy, okay. Oh, the bar doesn't fit in this hole. Clearly they put a lot of work into this science fair project. I mean, real product that is serious and that people will definitely buy.
You're missing one thing.
It's gotta be the base. It's gotta be something to do with this bottom motor or something. Ooh, oh goodness. Oh, I see it. Oh my God. The speaker module is just a Bluetooth speaker. It's from HP. There's an HP logo on the front.
So this is early, I assume that
I assume nothing. This is my jam, this is my song. Oh, hi. Wait, is that, do they have the rights to Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson's likeness? Because I really doubt it. Wow, that's very annoying, that sound.
Yeah, it was working like literally 10 minutes ago.
And it's so quiet too.
And it was definitely full volume before.
Oh yeah, I cranked it. Are you my new friend? Oh, we're back. Dan fixed it. It was an issue with the cable internally. So he cut one of the conductors inside the cable.
Thing to remember when you're dealing with the extreme pressure, for me, it's in the comm. There are a lot of people who looked at me.
Ah, wow. But how do I even connect this to anything?
There's no software.
There's no software. What? I go to go.wehead.com/Linus. Loading neural network. Okay, connect. Wow. I am Linus. Okay, I wanna see myself here. Camera quality is quite mediocre. I gotta say that the head movement functionality is quite intuitive. Okay. Oh, space to reset the position. So you don't have to be constantly like, I will hold my head exactly here. Mind you, if you don't, it probably looks pretty weird, right? Like, oh, sorry. Okay, was I in the right spot before or should I be closer? Oh, go back to the frame. Oh, it tells you. It tells you to go back to the right spot. Oh, there's a little preview in the top corner here. Oh, does it auto zoom? Does it account for you being a big dum-dum and going too far away? Is it doing that? It looks like it. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, you can use mouse and keyboard. Whoa! Hello, Jake Bellavance. You are doing a wonderful job.
Thank you, Linus Bob.
It's so creepy. I don't know. Okay. You call in, and I'm gonna converse with Jake Bot. Whoa, my God! It's Jake Bellavance. Okay, hold on. Where? The smile though. I have to give them this. I don't need a computer then. He just calls into this thing's static URL thing, and we can just converse like perfectly normal human beings.
Wouldn't this be great for a job interview? You could actually see and talk to the person you're interviewing.
I mean, I guess we could talk about stuff. So, how's gaming?
All I do is game.
Okay, you're not helping.
I think this is pretty fluid.
It seems like to get me centered, you're overcorrecting this way. Like I keep trying to shove myself this way to make it so that we can actually see you in the camera. But I'm guessing that's because this is the camera that it's using. Did I cover your camera feed? I sure did. But look at that. I can point in a direction and he can totally look in a direction. 2 G's for the regular, which right now doesn't even appear to be a finished product. 4,500 for the Pro, which can do this. Wow. You know what? I can see it. When this is like 250 bucks, you've got a stable of them in your stupid conference room or whatever. People call into head unit 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, bespoke hardware rather than just cobbling together phones and stuff. Okay, it doesn't help when the person operating it is trying to be creepy though. Thanks for watching ShortCircuit. This is the weirdest thing I have unboxed.